I have a whole slushy haul. First, I have this dumpling. It's not RMS, but it's like this ghost edition one. Will you find the ghost dumpling? I hope I find the ghost dumpling. I found the ghost one, guys. Guys, that's crazy. That's literally absolutely crazy. Okay, now we got this bread. It's a foam bread, but we're going to do this tomorrow. I don't know if I squish it. Okay, I didn't squish it yet. That feels so nice, guys. Okay. Now we got this slushy banana. It has like, oh, it's like, it has a banana in it, a strawberry, all that stuff. It's so nice. Okay. How do I open this? Oh, okay. Another bag. Please don't tell me there's another bag. It actually smells really good. Last, I have this thing. It's like a crunchy one. That's it. And it is color changing. So green, and it turns to red. It's a water. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but like, my mom has this one, and I feel it. I've always wanted one of these, just because they do look absolutely relaxing and feel absolutely so like, yeah. How do you look at this? Oh. That feels so good. I love how mine's color changing. My brother has the same one as my mom, but like the watermelon is so cute. Okay. Back to the dumpling. I can't believe it. It's so cute. I want my bread and I want my banana. So there's a lime or kiwi in it, dragon fruit, banana, then an orange, and a strawberry. And a banana. Now I have this pickle sauce. I already opened it. I put shaving cream in it, but like when it's closed and like it has the bubbles, it's so good. I love it. I actually love everything. I don't know where this is from, but like, so nice. Bye guys.